everyone has pretty much thought about creating an ebook and selling it on Amazon. My best suggestion is that you start selling and creating your ebooks through this new platform that's called Koji. Keep watching for a full walkthrough on how you can start selling your ebooks and making passive income fast with Koji. What's up, money makers? My name is Diamond Chanel, and on this channel, I teach you all different types of ways to make money online. So if you're in need of some change in your pocket, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. By the way, I have a free ebook for you also in my description where I give you different strategies on how you can start earning passive income. Now, also, if you need a more in-depth training on how you can start earning money online, then please check out my money-making program that show you how to create 8 different online side hustles to help you make thousands of dollars every single month. But anyways, what we're talking about is making money through ebooks. We'll be using Koji, which is one of the easiest ways to sell ebooks and make passive income. And they have this new template that is used simply for selling ebooks and audiobooks. So we're going to go over to the template store so that I can show you exactly how to use these ready-to-use templates, which are basically mini storefronts for selling digital products. And it's perfect for anybody that is just beginning with ebooks or anyone who just wants to start selling fast with no startup fees. So let me go ahead and show you exactly how to do this. Koji has hundreds of ready-to-use customizable templates, including their simple sell ebooks and audiobooks template. And you can really create any type of digital product with just a few clicks, and you can start selling right away, like minutes after you've uploaded your products. So this is a customizable storefront that lets you set your own price, and you share your store anywhere on social media or anywhere on the internet so that your friends, your family, your followers can shop where they are most comfortable and spend the most time. And it actually allows you to accept credit cards, even Apple Pay. It allows your potential customers to check out super fast, and they have some really great features where you can boost your sales for your ebooks. You can now upload audiobooks either as a standalone item or as an add-on to your other ebooks. You can easily create combination bundles that include an ebook and an audiobook. The most important step after uploading your book is going to be sharing your Koji link with your potential buyers. You're going to be able to get a direct link to the ebook or audiobook previews that is going to entice people to purchase from you. They'll be able to see what your book is about or listen to a small portion of your audiobook. Giving them a preview is going to help you get a lot more purchases opposed to them reading a small summary from it. And at the end of the preview content, your potential customer is going to get nudged to buy the full book. And your customer will be able to read or listen to your ebook immediately after they purchase it. If you are enjoying this information, I want you to leave me your most recent emoji in the comment section below. This is just something fun that we do on this channel that helps me interact with as many of you as I possibly can. So go ahead, you can leave me whatever it is that is your last emoji. Here's mine. All right, back into the information. Uploading your ebooks, cover pages, and also your audio files is super easy. All you need to do is take your files from your device, drag it, and then click next, and then you'll be able to see a preview of it. Using the Koji platform versus using Amazon KDP, there's no competition, there are no startup fees, and they make it very easy for you to go ahead and upload your book without having all of these restrictions and getting denied because of formatting issues. Unlike Amazon, if you share your link to your book, they might go on and purchase somebody else's book because you just shared them a link to Amazon. Instead, when they click your link and go to your profile, they will only see your products and anything else that you have to offer. From your social media pages to your website to any type of content pages that you might have. And it keeps the focus on you and your product. Once you're up and selling, the easy to read Koji dashboard will give you everything that you need to better understand exactly where your sales are coming from, who your customers are. And if you're ever confused, the Koji blog has different great articles and resources that's going to help you level up as a seller. Go ahead, in the link in my description, you'll find where you can sign up with Koji. And again, it is free. start uploading your ebooks and your audiobooks and any other digital product that you might want to sell. As a bonus tip in this video, if you're not exactly sure what kind of book you want to make or what's going to sell the best, I'm going to give you a few of the top niches for ebooks. The niche that's probably the most popular is going to be the self-help and the personal development niches. The second one is going to be health and wellness. And if you guys haven't seen the video that I created talking about someone who was able to make $40,000 a month in sales simply by selling a weight loss recipe book for men. And I'll leave that in the description if you're interested in that too. The third biggest niche is going to be business and entrepreneurship, because everybody's always looking for different ways to earn money and to get into entrepreneurship. Then you have finance and investing. And then the last niche is going to be fiction and nonfiction genres such as romance, mystery, and history books. So everything that I mentioned is in the link in my bio, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. But before you leave, make sure that you check out this next one because it's going to give you some more money-making tips.